Good morning to all my listeners. Today is a very special day for me. I want to talk about my future goals. Everyone has dreams, big or small. Sometimes it is hard to start something new. I often feel nervous about the unknown. However, I am ready for a change. My life is good, but I want more. Last night, I wrote a list of goals. It is important to have a clear plan. I look at the sunrise and feel inspired. First, I need to organize my daily routine. Success starts with small steps every single day. My notebook is open on the table. I see many possibilities for my career and health. It is time to be brave and honest. Do you have a list of your dreams? Maybe you want to travel around the world. Or perhaps you want to learn a new language. English is a great tool for global communication. I am happy that you are listening to me. Let's explore these ideas together in this episode. I believe in the power of positive thinking. My coffee is warm and the air is fresh. I feel a lot of energy in my heart. Tomorrow begins with the decisions I make today. Let's move to my first big goal. It is related to my professional life. I want to become a successful graphic designer. This journey is going to be very exciting. To be a designer, I must study hard. I found an excellent online course yesterday. The lessons start next Monday at 8 o'clock. I need to learn how to use professional software. Digital art is quite difficult but very interesting. I am buying a new tablet for drawing. Practice is the most important part of learning. I will spend 2 hours every evening practicing. My teacher lives in London and is very talented. We have video calls twice a week for feedback. I am a bit afraid of making mistakes. But mistakes help us grow and improve quickly. My portfolio is empty at this moment. I want to fill it with beautiful, creative projects. Maybe I can design a logo for my friend. She has a small bakery in the city center. This is a great opportunity for my first work. I am also reading books about color theory. Did you know that blue makes people feel calm? Learning these details is fascinating for my mind. I have a long way to go, I know. Persistence is the key to mastering any skill. I am not going to give up easily. Every lesson brings me closer to my dream job. I enjoy the process of creating something unique. My computer is fast and ready for work. I feel like a real student again today. It is never too late to learn something new. Knowledge is a treasure that stays with us forever. Let's talk about physical health in the next part. A healthy body supports a creative and sharp mind. My second goal is to run a marathon. 5 kilometers is my current limit for running. I am training at the local park every morning. The trees are green and the birds are singing. Fresh air helps me think clearly about my life. I am changing my diet to feel more energetic. Eating more vegetables and fruit is a priority. I drink 2 liters of water every single day. Fast food is not on my menu anymore. I feel much stronger than I did last month. My new running shoes are very comfortable and light. I joined a local running club for beginners. The members are very friendly and give good advice. We meet every Saturday morning at the fountain. It is easier to exercise when you have friends. Next month, I will enter a small race. I don't need to win, I just want to finish. Physical goals require a lot of discipline and patience. Sometimes I am tired, but I still go out. Consistency is better than perfection in my opinion. I listen to upbeat music while I run. It keeps me motivated when the path is steep. My heart beats fast and I feel alive. Wellness is not just about weight, it is about joy. I sleep better after a long workout in nature. Rest is also an essential part of my plan. I am learning to listen to my body's needs. Balance is what I am searching for this year. Now, let's discuss my dream of traveling abroad. I want to visit Japan in the near future. This has been my dream since I was a child. The culture and architecture there are absolutely amazing. I am saving money every month for this trip. Traveling opens our eyes to different ways of living. I want to see the cherry blossoms in Tokyo. It is important to experience the world beyond home. I am learning basic Japanese phrases for my journey. Saying hello and thank you is a good start. I plan to stay in a traditional Japanese inn. Eating authentic sushi is at the top of my list. I love photography, so I will take many photos. My camera is ready for this big adventure. I am researching the best places to visit online. Kyoto seems like a very peaceful and beautiful city. I want to ride the famous high-speed bullet train. Meeting local people is the best part of traveling. I hope to make some international friends there. This goal makes me work harder at my job. Having a reward at the end is very motivating. I am checking the prices for flights in autumn. October is a perfect month for a long vacation. My passport is valid for 5 more years. I am packing a small suitcase to travel light. Adventure is waiting for me across the ocean. Exploring new horizons makes us more open-minded people. I feel excited just thinking about the airplane ticket. The world is huge and full of wonderful secrets. I am ready to discover a new side of myself. Family is also a big part of my future. My family is the foundation of my happiness. I want to spend more quality time with them. We are planning a big dinner for next Sunday. My parents are getting older and need my support. I want to help my brother with his new business. Building strong relationships requires time and effort. I am learning to be a better listener for them. We often talk about our childhood memories together. I want to buy a house with a garden someday. A place where we can all gather for holidays. My goal is to create a peaceful home environment. I am planting flowers in my small balcony boxes. Caring for plants teaches me a lot about patience. Love and kindness are the most important values. I am sending a postcard to my grandmother today. She loves getting mail and hearing my voice. I want my friends to feel welcome in my life. We are going to the cinema together this Friday. Supporting each other makes our challenges seem smaller. I am grateful for the people who love me. They give me the strength to follow my dreams. My heart is full when we are all together. Happiness is shared with those we care about most. I am planning a surprise party for my best friend. She is turning 30 years old next month. It is a milestone that we must celebrate properly. Small gestures of love mean a lot in life. I am focusing on being present in every moment. Connections with people are more valuable than money. Finally, let's summarize my thoughts about the future. We covered a lot of topics in this episode. My goals are clear and my heart is ready. I have a plan for my career and health. Japan is waiting for me in the autumn months. My family remains my biggest priority and love. Setting goals gives my life a sense of direction. It is okay if plans change over time, too. Flexibility is a sign of a wise person. Don't be afraid to dream big, my dear friends. You have the power to change your own reality. Every day is a new page in your story. Write it with courage, passion, and a little humor. I hope my story inspires you to act today. What is the first step you can take right here? Write it down and believe in your own success. I am going to finish my evening tea now. The stars are bright in the dark night sky. I feel calm and confident about the coming weeks. Thank you for spending this time with me today. Your support means the world to this small podcast. I will record another episode very soon for you. We can continue our English journey together like this. Keep practicing your speaking and listening skills every day. Language is a bridge to many new opportunities. I am proud of the progress we are making. Remember to be kind to yourself during the process. Success is a slow journey, not a fast race. Sleep well and dream of your beautiful future. Goodbye for today and take care of yourselves. I am looking forward to our next conversation soon.
The best comment under this video gets English lessons, completely free. So go ahead and write your comment now.